Welcome! In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to submit your application using the DreamApply platform. This video will be divided into 3 parts: an introduction to DreamApply, a walkthrough on how to submit your application, and a section on where to find the official admission calls. By the end, you will be ready to complete your application confidently and successfully. DreamApply is the official online application portal of the University of Milano-Bicocca, reserved only for students with an international qualification. If you hold an Italian qualification, please note that this is not the correct application portal for you. Visit the Bicocca website and refer to the specific program's call for application for the appropriate procedure. Through the DreamApply platform, you will be able to consult our programs, submit your application with all the necessary documents for admission, contact us through the messages section and receive automated reminders from the platform, as well as messages from our credential evaluators or professors. Stay updated by consulting major announcements in the news section. Check the fees and funding page for an overview of university fees, and access our frequently asked questions section. And now, let's begin exploring the platform together and guide you through your application process.
To browse our programs, click Search and Apply from the home page, and you will be redirected to the Find Programs page. From here, you may help your research through the available filters, like the department of your interest, the type of programs, or the study language. If you already know the name of the course you want to apply to, simply write it in the search bar. Once you have found it, you may consult the course webpage for the main information related to the program, such as entry requirements or deadlines, and apply for it by clicking Apply Now. Once you're here, save your application as a draft so that you can add your documents in the Tasks section and pay your application fee in the Finance section. Also, do not forget to complete the mandatory fields in your application: the education, profile, contacts, home university, and languages sections. Once ready, click Submit and your application is on its way.
And last but not least, the call for application. This document can be found on the official course webpage on the Bicocca website. Once you have found the page of your interest, scroll down and click on the call for application box, and you will find the PDF file with all necessary information for admission and more.